Do silky crayons work on transfer paper? Let's test it out. I don't have tracing paper, so I'm just going to test on parchment paper, and hopefully that will give us a result that will help you decide if it will work for you. The crayons draw really smoothly on the parchment paper, and I'm able to blend pretty easily. Okay, now let's see if I can transfer this to a sheet of paper. I'm going to lay it on the paper and hold it as best as I can so it doesn't shift around, and then use this bone folder to press the parchment paper onto the paper. You can see where I've left chunks of pigment and it squishes out, so you might have to be a little careful about that. And it looks like it transfers pretty well. I definitely think I could have gotten cleaner pigment if I would have pressed a little bit harder, but I'm doing it a second time here and it gets even more. So I definitely think it would work. I think it will just depend on your paper type and pressure. I also wanted to test a white crayon on black paper for you since that's part of your workflow. I will say I don't feel like these crayons are as opaque on top of black paper, but I'll show you just so you can see. This black paper also has a little bit of a sheen to it, so the crayon doesn't stick as well as it does on the white paper, but here's what it looks like. The combination of the paper being a little bit smoother and the fact that I didn't do any blending definitely makes the pigment spread a little bit further, but here's a good idea of what it would look like. I feel like there are so many variables as to whether or not this will work for you, but I hope that these little tests will help you decide.